Welcome to my channel. Step ahead with a new video. Today I'll be sharing with you all a secret recipe, secret beauty mask that my aunt shared with me a couple of weeks back, so I thought of sharing this beauty recipe with you all because this has improved the texture and appearance of my skin to a great extent, and now my face looks more youthful, clear and healthy. So let's find out how you can prepare this beauty mask at home. The first thing that you need is 1/2 cup of wheat flour, also known as Arta wheat. Flour works wonders for every skin type. It helps in brightening and smoothing the skin by removing impurities and tightening the skin. The next thing that you have to add is 1 teaspoon of our normal turmeric, regular turmeric. Dermit treats acne, exfoliates richer meads, reduces blemishes and gives you clear, healthy, radiant and glowing skin. The next thing that you've read is 3 teaspoons of honey. Honey revitalizes dull, dry and dehydrated skin, providing a surge of moisture. It don'ts and tighten the pores, reducing visible aging signs. Then you have to add is half-ripe banana. Banana contains moisture, potassium and vitamin special E plus Z that promotes clear to the full scale. The next unit that you need is orange, and this is one of the most important ingredients. So you need the juice of half orange. Orange contains vitamin C, which gives elasticity, strengthen, and which we need skin. It also promotes circulation in the skin and give back a healthy color to your skin. And finally add 2 teaspoons of milk. Place all the ingredients into the mixer and grind to get a smooth, creamy paste. Transfer the contents into a container. You can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, not only on your face, but you can also use it on any areas of your body to make it glow and look younger and flawless. So I'll demonstrate it on my hand, and before applying, make sure your face is completely clean. First, apply a thick layer of paste evenly on your face and neck, and then massage for 2 minutes. They'll apply some more and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the back trace, wet your fingers and drop in a circular motion, then rinse off with warm water. Pat dry with a towel. So 1 set, I'll rub a thick layer of aloe vera gel. You can use fresh or ready-made. Elaborate. This 2-in-1 formula creates instant lightening, fights pigmentation and blemishes, and its anti-aging properties tightens and lips sagging skin, smooth lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin looking fabulously clean, smooth, ageless and glowing. So use this back 2 times a week to see amazing results and bring you flawless, youthful glow back. So give it a try and share your results with me, and you can also follow me on Instagram and for more such amazing beauty tips and updates, subscribe to my channel.